Purring is one of the most distinctive and emotionally resonant behaviors that cats display, a sound often associated with calm, contentment, and trust. When a cat purrs loudly, especially while nestled on a warm lap or during moments of affectionate interaction, it is commonly interpreted as a clear sign of happiness. Yet the reasons behind this behavior are more intricate than they may appear. Loud purring is not just an auditory signal, it is a multifaceted behavior that arises from a mix of instinct, communication, physiology, and emotional response. To understand why cats purr loudly when they're happy, it's essential to explore the mechanics of purring, its evolutionary roots, and the emotional and social contexts in which it occurs. At a physiological level, purring begins in the brain. A repetitive neural signal is sent to the laryngeal muscles, which control the vocal cords. These muscles twitch rapidly, opening and closing the space between the vocal cords several times per second. This vibration causes a distinctive humming sound during both inhalation and exhalation, resulting in the continuous, rhythmic purr that cat owners know so well. While most cats purr at a consistent frequency range, typically between 25 and 150 Hz, the volume can vary depending on the individual cat, its body size, the depth of its breathing, and its emotional state. Loud purring, in particular, is often a reflection of heightened emotional arousal. When a cat is especially content or comfortable, perhaps during a grooming session, while being petted, or when lying in a sunbeam, it may purr more forcefully. This increase in intensity is not accidental. A cat's loud purr may serve to amplify the expression of satisfaction, much like a person who laughs louder when genuinely delighted or sighs more deeply when truly relaxed. It is a vocal expression of deep well-being, and in many ways, it reinforces the bond between cat and human. One important aspect of purring is its role in communication. While cats do not typically purr in interactions with other adult cats, aside from mothers and kittens, they do use purring as a form of communication with humans. Cats are highly adaptive creatures that have learned to modify their behavior in response to their environment, and loud purring may be a learned behavior. Over time, a cat may notice that purring loudly results in more attention, petting, or food from its human companions. As a result, it may begin to purr more audibly in situations where it feels relaxed and secure, not just as a spontaneous reaction but also as a socially reinforced behavior. This interpretation is supported by the fact that kittens purr from a very young age, just a few days after birth, while nursing from their mother. These early purrs are believed to be both a signal of well-being and a mechanism for bonding. The mother, in turn, purrs back, creating a reassuring exchange that promotes calm and trust. This foundational communication continues into adulthood, but instead of being directed at the mother, it becomes focused on the cat's human caregivers. A cat that purrs loudly while curled up with its owner may be recreating the safe, nurturing environment of its earliest experiences, with the purr acting as a bridge between instinct and affection. Another element that influences the loudness of a cat's purr is physical anatomy. Larger cats or those with stronger vocal cords may simply be capable of producing louder sounds. Some breeds, such as Maine Coons and Siamese, are known for being more vocal in general and may also have more resonant purrs. Just as some people have naturally louder voices, some cats have louder purrs, and this trait may be amplified when they are particularly happy or stimulated. It is also worth noting that loud purring can reflect a cat's heightened physiological state. When a cat is relaxed and happy, its body is functioning optimally, its breathing is slow and deep, its heart rate is stable, and its muscles are loose. This relaxed physical condition allows for more pronounced vocalization. The cat breathes more fully, which pushes more air through the vocal cords and results in a louder purring sound. Essentially, the louder the purr, the more deeply the cat is engaging in the act of relaxation. Emotionally, loud purring is also a sign of trust. Cats are naturally cautious animals. They are both predator and prey in the wild and have evolved to be hyper-aware of their surroundings. When a cat is willing to lie exposed, close its eyes, and emit a loud sound that could potentially alert others to its location, it is demonstrating an extraordinary level of comfort. It trusts that it is safe in its environment and that the humans around it pose no threat. In this way, loud purring becomes a behavioral marker of both emotional security and physical safety. Interestingly, some cats also purr loudly when they are anticipating something pleasurable, such as being fed or receiving affection. This form of anticipatory purring may be accompanied by other behaviors like rubbing against legs, following their owner around, or vocalizing in a more urgent tone. The purring in these cases is not merely a reaction to a current state of happiness but also a signal of excitement about what's to come. It reveals a level of emotional complexity and shows how cats use vocalizations to express a range of internal states. The volume of a cat's purr may also vary according to its relationship with individual humans. Some cats develop especially close bonds with certain people and may reserve their loudest, most resonant purring for them. This suggests a social and emotional depth to the behavior, indicating that loud purring is not a generic sound but a personal and situational response. It's a way of saying, "I feel completely at ease with you," and it often strengthens the emotional connection between cat and human. When a cat purrs loudly in moments of happiness, it is expressing a complex blend of emotional contentment, physical comfort, and social bonding. The loudness is not random but rather an intensification of a deeply ingrained behavior that serves multiple functions. From its origins in early kittenhood to its role in human-cat relationships, purring is both a personal expression and a biological tool. Loud purring amplifies this expression, revealing the depth of a cat's emotional world and its unique ability to communicate through sound. It is a reminder that behind the soft fur and graceful movements lies a creature capable of profound connection and subtle, powerful expression.